Hey, how y'all doing? I'm gonna shoot a quick little video on the underside of this Ford Focus fiberglass hood. Taping up the bottom vent here. You can see I got the metal vent there. I taped that one shut. And I'll get this hood latch off of here. But I just wanted to kind of shoot a quick little video of the underside of this hood as I get it prepped for paint. This is a 2014 Ford Focus, and I'm putting a 2018 Focus ST front bumper and a custom fiberglass hood that I got off of eBay. This is the 2015 through 18 ST front bumper cover. It comes with the cover, the grill, the ST badge, the lower valance, the fog light housing, but not the fog lights. It's ready to paint. All you got to do is hit it with some prep sol, and you can paint it. The only damage that I had on it was a little bit here on the top side, like where the hood would meet, but I can probably get that off. It was just a little bit there on the driver's side, a little bit on the passenger side here. Let's see if I can get a better angle here. There it is. So you can see it's just a little bit not perfect, but you know, we can live with that. It's not a problem. And so I'm just getting the two panels ready to paint. I got to paint a fender as well, so I'm not going to paint it until I get the fender tomorrow. But wanted to shoot a quick little video, show you guys the underside of this hood before I paint it, and let you guys just check it out. So there you go. This hood was on eBay. I don't remember the name of the seller. It was out of Chino, California. I remember that. But the hood's $500. So if you guys are curious, $344 plus shipping. So altogether it's $500. All right. So I'm gonna get back to work. There you guys have it.